Hey, it's Mr. Hemi here. Thanks for joining me. We're going to go over the syllabus together, so let's take a look at the syllabus. All right, so let's go ahead and look through the syllabus, but of course, before we can do that, we got to find the thing. So what you're going to want to do is go to your courses, so you can click here in the blue navigation bar in Schoology, and it'll bring you down a drop-down menu with tiles for all of your courses. And you want to find the little frog with his head sticking out. He's all covered in that duckweed, it's called. That's the life science course icon. So go ahead and click on life science. That brings you to the life science page. You're going to scroll past all of the teacher contact information, all the way down past the office hours until you find a folder called Welcome to Life Science. Now you're going to click the little arrow beside it to expand that folder so you can see all of its contents. And you want to look for the item called Class Syllabus, which is right here. So go ahead and click on that. And that loads the class syllabus on your screen. Now, you'll find here on the left, we've got my name and my contact information, as well as our office hours. Notice that our office hours this year, my office hours this year, are 1:30 to 2:30, and again on Friday at 2 to 3. Now, if you can't meet me during those hours and you want to meet me to go over some things together in the live chat room in Blackboard, you can certainly contact me and we can schedule a time to meet together and go over the work that you want to go over. Now, let's get into the real content of the syllabus. It gives you an overview of some of the fundamental principles that we'll be covering in our life science class. Now, these are biological principles because life science and biology are almost the same thing. Biology gets a bit more in depth into those topics and also does a little less on the ecology side because it goes so much further in depth into the cell unit and how the cell works and all kinds of stuff like that. But in life science, we're just getting a taste of that. You'll take a biology course probably next year, so this will kind of get you ready for that. The course schedule, of course, is listed next. And this year, rather than having a rotating schedule, we have a straight schedule. What that means is that instead of meeting a half an hour later each day of the week, we actually meet at the same time every day. So live class is Monday through Friday at 11:30. Now, last year, if our class on Monday was at 11:30, then on Tuesday, it would have been at 8:30, and then Wednesday, it would have been at 9, and then Thursday, it would have been at 9:30, and so on. But again, this year, we're going with the straight schedule. That means that whatever time your life science class meets, which is 11:30, Monday through Friday, that is going to be the same time every day of the week, okay? Same with your English class and your math class. They will all be at the same time each day of the week, Monday through Friday. All right, so then it gets into course materials, and there really aren't any course materials that you can expect to receive in the mail. What you will receive is going to all be online. So you'll have options and opportunities to print stuff out if you want to, using your own printer at home. But by and large, all of the materials that you need will be available through the Schoology main page or links from the Schoology lessons to outside materials if those are necessary. Okay, it gets into a kind of a quarter breakdown of the items that we're going to be talking about this year. Now, keep in mind that this is, this is a rough estimate and a kind of a guess as far as timing. For instance, it might take us a little longer to get through energy and cells, so that might kind of overlap into second quarter a little bit, which might push natural selection and evolution into quarter 3 a little bit, and maybe some of the body systems into quarter 4, possibly. But we'll try to stick as close to this schedule as we can. Okay? And that's pretty much a wrap on the syllabus. If you have any questions, definitely reach out. You've got multiple ways to reach me. My preferred method, of course, is by Schoology message, but you can email me or call me. Those work fine as well. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Make it a great year, and we'll see you in class.